In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Nvidia app, FPS issues or FPS drops. First thing you want to do is simply head over to the drivers, click here and make sure you take the latest driver. After that you want to go to settings, and in here you should make sure that both of these are turned off. Usually you get the FPS issues or any kind of lag if you have the overlay or the game filters and photo mode on. If you really want to record your game, you can try and turn the overlay on and make sure this one is still turned off. Now if you still have issues with having this on, turn it off and then see if that solves the issue. If it solves the issue, you can simply download another software or you can use OBS or whatever to record your games. However, I recommend doing this first. Come in here, turn both off, see if this fixes it. If it does fix it, you can try and enable this one again to see if this one is the one causing the issue. But just try and turn both of these off and this should fix the issue. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.